If you want to cancel your Apple TV Plus free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly. Step 1. Open Settings. On your Apple device, locate and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. In your account settings, find and tap on the Subscriptions option. This will display all the subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Find Apple TV Plus. Scroll through your list of subscriptions until you find Apple TV Plus. Tap on it to view the details of your subscription. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Once you are on the Apple TV Plus subscription page, look for the option to cancel subscription. Tap it and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. After completing these steps, your Apple TV Plus free trial will be cancelled, and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. Make sure to check your email for confirmation of the cancellation.